Microsoft says my PC can't run Windows 11, but here it is, running the latest 25H2 update. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I bypassed the system requirements and installed Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, step by step. To follow this guide, you'll need a PC or laptop that doesn't meet Windows 11 requirements, a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes, internet access, and a bit of patience. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the Windows 11 ISO file. Choose the latest version, 25H2. Use Rufus to create a bootable USB. Important, in Rufus, select Remove Requirement for TPM and Secure Boot. This is the key step that allows unsupported PCs to install Windows 11. Plug in the USB, restart your PC, and boot from the USB drive. Follow the installation steps. If you see a warning about system requirements, ignore it. Rufus already bypassed them. Once Windows 11 is installed, update your drivers manually, check for Windows updates, and make sure your system is stable before installing heavy apps. That's it. You've installed Windows 11 25H2 on unsupported hardware. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. More tech tutorials coming soon.